Alright, good morning YouTube. Yes, this is my first YouTube video. I'm coming to you live from North Little Rock. This is Spencer.
Hey.
This is Teddy. Teddy's saying hello. We're all a little tired. So, I'm Lindsay. We got up really early to take my car to get worked on. It's the Compressor. I don't know if anyone of you know that that's incredibly expensive, but it totally is. And yeah, it's 7:57 with no coffee. This is my life right now. Now for fun facts with Spencer about Sparta.
Why do I have to be in the video?
Tell us about Sparta, Spencer.
Okay. Well, I thought it was interesting that apparently how a woman gets a warrior's death in Sparta was if they died during childbirth. I'm tired. Stop looking at me.
That was fascinating. In other news, compressors are fucking expensive.